Yeah, hello, my beautiful people. Yeah, we are trading gold. Gold is trading. You can all see gold is really trading. Oh, yeah. See what gold is doing. I saw the way the gold was spiked. The spike was really, the spike was just going. And I decided to jump in. I saw this, you know. I just jump in. It's looking beautiful. Gold is looking beautiful. See what gold is doing. Do you want to have result like this? Please subscribe, you know, follow me. You'll keep on dropping some dates, updates. As we can see, when I just opened, I saw the gold is just doing its thing. Gold is just doing what it knows how to do. It's just doing its thing. Wow, gold is looking beautiful. Gold is looking beautiful. You know? Yeah. How you guys doing? You can drop your comment. Let me know what you think about trading. What do you want to know about trading? You can see the chart is still going up. The chart is still going. Wow, another candle just formed. If you want to ask me questions, what do you want to know about trading? Do you want to learn some things about trading? This one, you see, take profit is about to hit for this one. Let me see. Let me go to 30 minutes here. Let me see 1 hour. This one, take profit is about to hit. It's about to hit. The trading is trading. Yeah, take profit has taken for one. Wow, almost everything you can see. You can all see. Yeah, take profit. I have almost how many trades there. This thing just cut. This one took profit. The trade just cut. We're sitting at 1,000 something. So this one is still trading. Let me see what's happening here. Let's see what's happening. I like the smaller time frames. It gives me a clearer view of what is happening. Small time frame gives me a clearer view of what is happening. You can see. Let me see the distance. Okay, these ones are about to hit take profit too. They're about to hit take profit. This one is looking beautiful. Yeah, take profit is about to take. You see, this trade, I started this trade in less than 5-10 minutes. You can see less than 5-10 minutes we're into this trade, and before you know, I'm out of this trade. I'm out of this trade. The trade is looking beautiful. I enter like 6 trades, like 6 trades, and like 4 hours cut, it's taking profit. The signal is signaling, that is the road. So this one, let's see. Let me see this thing. Yeah, this take profit is about to hit too. You can all see it. Let me have a clearer view. Wait. 1 hour. Let me see. I'm not seeing it. It has really gone high. So I want to have a clear view of what is happening. Yeah, it's almost about hitting take profits. Trading is trading. This is looking all beautiful. It's looking good. Yeah, this one is about to hit. Yes, yes, yes. Take profit is about to hit. Take profit is about to hit. Come and learn how to trade, oh, my people. Learn how to trade, oh. Learn how to trade. You need knowledge of trading. Like me, I'm always trying to have more knowledge on trading. So come and trade. Come and trade. See, the other one has cut. The other take profit has cut here. Yeah. So remaining the last one, last take profit. Remaining one, last take profit. Let's see what is happening here. Yeah, see what is happening. Gold is doing its thing. Gold is beautiful. Gold is looking good. Gold is doing its thing. You know, at first I had some losses in the morning when I traded. I'll just take this profit. It's gonna be a new candle. I'm gonna take this profit and go. Okay, close position. I've closed. Ooh, thank you for today. Bye, 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 bye for now. You see, it's 2,400. You see? So, bye-bye.